In Islam, hell is known as Jahannam. It is a concept that refers to the place of punishment and torment for those who have committed serious sins and have not repented or sought forgiveness in this life. Hell is one of the fundamental beliefs in Islamic theology alongside heaven Jannah. Here are some key points about the concept of hell in Islam. Nature of hell. Jahannam is described in Islamic teachings as a place of intense and excruciating punishment. It is depicted as a fiery and agonizing realm where sinner will experience severe physical and spiritual torment. Punishment for sins. According to Islamic belief, individuals who have committed major sins like disbelief in Allah, idolatry, murder, theft, adultery, and other grave transactions may be subjected to punishment in hell. The severity and duration of punishment are believed to be commensurate with the sins committed. Warning in the Qur'an. The Qur'an, the holy book of Islam, contains numerous descriptions of hell and warning about its torment. These descriptions serve as reminder and motivation for believer to avoid sinful behavior and strive to follow the path of righteousness, temporary of eternal. Islamic theology differs on whether hell is eternal or temporary for sinners. Some scholars believe that certain sinners may eventually be pardoned and granted entry into paradise after a period of punishment, while others may remain in hell permanently. Repentance and mercy. Islam emphasizes the importance of sincere repentance and seeking Allah's forgiveness. A person who genuinely repents for their sins and turns back to Allah with a sincere heart is believed to be forgiven and may be spared from the punishment of hell. Allah's justice and mercy. Islamic teachings affirm that Allah is just and merciful. He rewards the righteous with paradise and punishes the sinful with hell. Muslims believe that Allah's judgment is based on His infinite knowledge, wisdom, and mercy. Motivation for righteousness. The concept of hell serves as a powerful incentive for believers to avoid sin and engage in righteous deeds. It encourages Muslims to live a life of piety, moral integrity, and compassion towards others. It is essential to note that the Islamic understanding of hell is part of a broader belief system that includes concept of divine judgment, accountability, and the afterlife. Muslims are encouraged to seek knowledge, practice good deeds, and consistently seek Allah's guidance to attain spiritual growth and ultimately strive for paradise, while seeking refuge from the punishment of hell.